performance testing. Okay, so what do you understand by this keyword, performance testing? In general, whatever you understand, you can tell me. Performance.
Testing is performing or not.
Testing is performing or not. You are like, you have given BTech abbreviation.
Smooth handling of application.
Sorry?
Smooth running of application.
Smooth running of application. Partially it is okay.
How much
Next.
time is it taking to complete the task? And are there any other questions? And is it successful or not?
How much time to take the page load?
Page load. Okay.
Performing operation in specific time.
What is that?
Sir, in given time, performing operation.
In the given time, performing operation. Okay. Yeah. Man, think. Man, don't keep idle. Keep on telling. You are giving good. Okay. Not exactly, but it's almost reaching.
Is it like a stress test, sir? Like,
Yeah. Similarly. Yes.
After giving a load, application is running smooth.
Okay. Load in the sense.
Users, heavy users, means more users.
Perfect. Who is that?
Shashank.
Srikanth. Good.
Shashank.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. So we are loading the application. Okay. Or you can call we are stressing the application, or we are checking the application with the bulk operations. Okay. I will give you some examples. Then you will understand. Okay. So that the real-time example I will give. Everyone knows that. Okay. So you know, right? Amazon. Okay. In Amazon we are having some sales, right? Okay, something like Amazon Day, something we assume that Amazon Day. Okay.
Yeah.
Amazon Day, I think it is
Prime
coming.
Day.
Prime Day. That is right. Yeah, Prime Day. Okay, so it is coming in, I think 27th, I think this month. Okay,
26 and 27, sir.
yeah, 26 and 27. Good example as of now. So if you notice this Prime Day, if you assume that like in general in a day, every day, assume that 10 lakhs people are visiting to the Amazon site in general. Okay, this is the volume. Okay, every day. As of now, today also 10 lakhs people are visiting to that website, and then 10 lakhs visiting websites everyone can do, but buying can be done only 2 lakhs people. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, it's not like that whoever is visiting like they have to buy. It's not like that. Okay, so 2 lakhs people are buying. This is our regular day. Assume that Prime Day. On Prime Day, how many people will log in?
Crores.
Crores. Some number, 10 crores or 15 crores or 1 crore.
5 crores.
5 crores. Okay. 5 crores, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm little poor in numbers. Okay. This is 5 crores. Okay. Yeah. So, how much time it is? Does it 10 times or 50 times? It is 50 times, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
50 times. It is 50 times. Absolutely, it is 50 times of the current one. So how the website is handling that much traffic? If you notice our automationpractice.com, if you all people have started working on that one, it will hang. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Agree. But how this Amazon people are maintaining that? Okay. How this Amazon people are maintaining that? Okay. For that one, what they do, there is no specific tool that to design all these things. We have to test the application, then only we will come to know. In simple words, if you know how to break the automationpractice.com now, okay, you try to like run that automation practice 10 test case run continuously parallelly also, okay, it will hang. So which means it cannot handle even 10 users at a time. Like the same what we do actually in the real time. So we will take that application and we will start running the application with 20, I'll put like this, 20 lakhs users, okay. So it will check it is working properly or not. So they will tell working properly. Now next 30 lakhs, okay, users, okay, and again they will check it is pass, and now they will load with 50 lakhs. They are increasing every time, they are 10 20 like that, okay, users. At that moment also it is pass. When it's become 80, okay, 80 lakhs users, where is that? Yeah, when it is 80 lakhs users, right, it is failed. It is not failed, remember guys, it is not failed. How it failed I'll tell you, okay. Regular response time is different, okay. Here the response time is, okay, here the response time is, assume that 1 second, okay. Here the response time is 1 second, here also 1 second, here also 1 second, but here the response time is 3 seconds. Nothing but it is taking more than expected time. Someone said already, okay, just now when I ask, okay, in the given time it is working properly or not. Okay, in the given time it is working properly or not, okay, that is what someone said. So it is the same thing. So we are checking the application, okay, we are checking the application in the given time it is working properly or not. It is working, but in 3 seconds it is loading. So which means for the end user, right, it is a bad experience. Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
For the end user, it is a bad experience. Why it is a bad experience? End user is not expecting this. End user is expecting something different number. Okay, so that's why. Okay, it is a bad experience. So that's why immediately what Amazon people do actually, they will increase the servers. Okay, they are increasing the servers at this point. Okay, so assume that we are having something around so far with 10 servers. Okay, 10 servers here, here and here, okay, all these are 10 servers. Now what they will do, here they will increase it to 15 servers, okay, and now again they will check with 80 lakhs user with 15 servers, and now what they did actually here, they increased the servers actually, and now 80 lakhs user response time is now 1 second with 15 servers, okay. So which means whenever they are increasing the servers, right, at that moment the performance of the application is good. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this
Yes,
is
sir.
how they test the application. This is how they test the application. Okay, for this one there are separate engineers are available. Okay, they called performance test engineers. Okay, you all are, okay, web test engineers, okay, or else API testing engineers, but performance testing engineers are separately available in the market. They don't know how to do the API testing, they don't know how to do the web testing also. They know only checking the performance of the application. Okay, so don't club these two things. Okay, we are giving this performance testing knowledge as part of the course. Okay, and remember this is absolutely not required for the interview. No one will ask you in the interview what is performance testing and what is JMeter. Okay, but you just tell that I am having some exposure or else knowledge on the perform. Someone by any chance, no, 99% no one will ask you. Okay, if the interview is stupid, right, those people only they will ask, okay, do you have a knowledge on the performance testing? Okay, so at that moment you can tell the answer, but just to have a gnan, okay, having a knowledge is always good. Okay, so that's why we are giving this knowledge also. Why? Because sometimes, okay, if someone is talking in the company, assume that in your team there are some performance test engineer available, web test engineers and all those things. If someone is telling their status, what I did yesterday and what I am going to do today, at that moment you should understand what he is doing actually. If I give all this knowledge, right, so that you will understand. Okay, so all these are like a good to know. Okay, it's not mandatory, you know, right? There is a like important and urgent. Do you have any idea what is important, what is urgent? Okay, it is important, but it is not urgent to learn actually. Okay, so keep this one. So this is all about the performance testing. So like this, they will check till 5 crores users. They will keep on increasing the servers. So they cannot tell I need 100 servers. Okay, so how they will tell like how many servers are needed for the 5 crore users? By testing like this, then only they will tell that these many servers I need. Okay, otherwise because servers are not that much easy actually, it is very costly. Servers are very costly actually. Okay, so that's the reason normally people do the testing like this, and then they will get the more machines. Okay, it's not like servers are not like our laptops. Okay, 16 GB, 8 GB, 4 GB, it is not like the servers are having GBs in the hundreds. 512 GB of RAM, 1000 GB of RAM. Servers are like that. Amazon servers, I'm telling you, right, they are having RAMs in the 100 numbers and 1000 numbers. Okay, they are not having their like RAMs in the normal way actually. Okay, if you ask me, right, my server is 48 GB server, because for testing purpose only I need 48 GB. Okay, there are some one more server which is like almost close to 100 GB server. Okay, so we do various types of testing. Okay, once you get the experience you will come to know all these things, but I'm just giving knowledge to you. Okay, now how to do the performance testing. Okay, to do the performance testing, what we have to do it is use the JMeter. Okay, use the JMeter. Okay, JMeter is another open source tool, guys. Remember, JMeter is another open source tool. Okay, and also there is a one more tool which is called load runner. Okay, there is one more tool called load runner. Okay, it is free, but it is paid. Okay, this is a product of HP. Okay, so this is completely paid. Okay, and this is completely free. Okay, and if you ask me, right, JMeter is having a very flexibility actually, which is having predefined lot of things, so that's why people always like the JMeter. But in the load runner is having its own features which are having, you can put some conditions. Okay, lot of things which you can do, but those things cannot be done in the JMeter. But you can achieve your requirement with the JMeter also. You don't need any load runner also, the paid tool and all. Okay, so how to download the JMeter and how to work with that one, I will show you now. So far it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Excellent. One minute. I'll close the door. I'm back. Okay, so I will show you how to download the this one. So from the Google, what you do it is, okay, from Google type download JMeter. That's it. Okay, go here, go here, and download JMeter for Windows. Okay, so click on this, the first one, and what I ask you, like something like a binaries. Okay, so here there is a zip file actually. Click on this. Okay, click on the zip file. Once you click on the zip file, I will show you how it looks. JMeter, right, you will be getting the one zip file. Okay, once you like download that one. Okay, so you have to extract the zip file. Okay, once you extract the zip file, right, so you will be getting like this Apache JMeter. See this, when you download, right, it will be like this, which is Apache JMeter 5.4. Just right click on this one, click on the extract. Once you click on this extract, right, you will be getting this folder, which is Apache JMeter 5.4. Expand this. I think I am using the latest one only. Some latest, which is 5.4.1 is come actually very recently. This one I have downloaded in the May, only 2 months ago. Okay, so now what you do it is open that one. Okay, and again open the bin folder. From the bin folder you will see jmeter.bat. Let me maximize. Can you see this jmeter.bat? Okay, so there are a lot of things are there. jmeter.bat, and one more thing, to know whether it is a jmeter.bat or not, what you have to do it is, so from your machine, okay, from your machine, what you have to do it is, click on this view first. Okay, and then click on this hidden, not hidden, this one, file name extensions. Okay, if it is unchecked, you cannot see the extensions of the file. See this, I unchecked, all are showing JMeter, but you don't know which is the proper one. So that's why click on this and then you will see the jmeter.bat. Okay, so double click on this. Once you double click on this one, right, then it will open the, or it will run the JMeter. Okay, so you don't need to do anything, you just double click on that one, just sit idle for a minute and then see this Apache JMeter TM, it is opened, and minimize this. This is the JMeter application. Okay, as of now my theme is black. If you download, you may get the black theme or white theme, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, I'll be showing a basic run over here. So right click on the test plan. Okay, see this, right click on the test plan, go to the add, go to the add, and you have to, where is that HTTP request I want. Assertions, this one, I want HTTP request. Where is that, man? View results.
Sir, configure acknowledgement, sir, on the yeah, HTTP request defaults last fifth one.
Last kill fifth one, huh?
No, sir. ఇక్కడ HTTP ఉంది కదా. Yeah.
Request defaults. I'm not looking for this. There's one more thing actually. Let me do one thing. These things we don't do frequently. Right click, add thread users, thread group, and right click on this. I have to create the thread group first. Okay, so what you do it is, I am deleting this one. Okay, test plan, right? So right click on this, go to the add, there is a thread users, first click on the thread group. Okay, select this, you will be getting this thread group. Under the thread group you will get the HTTP request. So right click on the thread group, go to the add, there is a sampler, under the sampler you will see the HTTP request. Click on this, see this HTTP request you got. Okay, and now put your name something for this thread group, which is verify something like a address, some test case I am giving. Okay, so comments. Okay, I am verifying the address here. Okay, then now what you do it is, I'll go to the This is our one, right? Where is our API? I want to test using API now. API is here, and right click on this, click on the edit. I think we have added some addresses, right, in the API. So come up. This is bulk update. I want to know one API. Yeah, this is the one, best one. So this is the one, right? So what is this? This is the URI and then resource and then key. So what you can do it is go back to here and provide the HTTP. Okay, so HTTP you don't need to provide, just to provide the server IP address. So right click on this, click on the paste. Okay, server name or IP address and port number. Okay, it is not required. And this is a post method, right? So select the post method, minimize this and copy the entire remaining thing. Copy this, go back here, paste it, done. Okay, we do not have any ports, right? So that's why like I am not using any port or server name. I have already given this one. Okay, and now what I have to do, I want to pass the body. Click on the body. Okay, and then go here. What is the body I want to pass? I want to pass this one. Right click on this, copy, and go here, right click on this, paste it. That's it. And now how do I run? Running is very simple. See my cursor, there is a run button here. Okay, click on the run button. Okay, you should save the test plan before running it. Okay, click on the yes. Okay, let me save this. Okay, I'll save somewhere here. The April batch. We'll create something JMeter. Okay, verify address, save it. Okay, I clicked on the save and let me run this. I just clicked on the run button and if you notice, right, there is no result is showing as of now. Okay, you can see there is a triangle button. Okay, and there is a 0 of 1 it is showing. Okay, we don't understand all those things. Okay, to get the result, what we have to do it, you are able to run, there is no issues as of now, but where is the result? To get the results, what you have to do it is right click on this verify address, go to the add, and there is a listeners. In the listeners, what you do it is click on the view result tree. Okay, see this, I have added view result tree, and now what I will do it is, so before running, what I suggest, there is a some log clear. See this clear, this is clear all. Click on the clear or clear all, and then now go click on this one and click on the run button. When you click on the run button, now the test was ran, and now click on the view result tree. Okay, so now it is showing some cross symbol. It is showing it is failed. Let's see why it is failed. So I have requested is coming null. We have given the body, right? Body data I have given, and why it is telling null? Parameters. mm, 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 mm. What is the problem? What form data? I think somewhere I am missing. Let me run again. Go here. Again it is showing. Oh. This is this should work properly as it is. Use multiple browser compatibilities, file uploads, IP port number, everything is fine.
So remove the protocol and paste it in the IP address.
You mean cut this one?
and paste it in the IP address.
You may be right. Let me check. Yeah, you are right. Okay. This is yeah. I understand now. Okay, so here I missed it. Here by default it is HTTP. Okay, by default it is HTTP protocol. If there is any different of that one, okay, what is the other one apart from HTTP? HTTP, yes. Okay, this is a HTTPS actually. Okay, so I actually don't have HTTPS. Seems I have given here. Thank you. Okay, so now see here, I am clicking on the run button. When I click on the run button, I am getting the result. So see here, verify the address, and I got this one. And see this is a request. Okay, headers, and see here when I click on the request, if you notice here properly, request body and request headers. Okay, when I click on this request body, this is the body I am sending to the server, and this is the request headers, it is going there. And now when I click on the response, I am getting the response body and also response headers I am getting. Okay, so I am getting these two things in the response headers also. If you notice HTTP 200 okay, so normally we verify, right, for the APS 200 okay, so it is that one. Okay, and when it is was done, and what is the server it is using, and also the timeout, okay, and the maximum time, all the information whatever we get in that one, right, the same thing we get here. Okay, this is all about this one. Okay, so now if you notice, okay, now if you notice all this, am I clear so far? So far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm giving the actual use of performance. So far we haven't started performance testing, so now just to concentrate on this one. Okay, so see here, just try to read number of threads, how many users you are asking. I want total 10 users. I want total 10 users. What is the ramp up period? Ramp up period is in the sense every 2 seconds. Okay, I want to ramp up. Okay, what is the meaning of that ramp up? Okay, so which means 10 users has to be done in 2 seconds, something like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, 10 users ramp up time I am telling it is 2. Okay, let's see what will happen. So clear the log and click on the run button. Okay, see here all these 10 requests are done within 2 seconds. Okay, if you notice properly, can you see 10 users coming here, right?
Yes, sir.
And now you can see here review result tree. Let me click on that. Can you see 10 are coming? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, acha, one is coming old. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Acha, old one is exist, not clear. Okay, so total 10 is coming actually. Okay, now if you notice, when I click on this, it is showing 49 49 49 49 49. And see here, all requests are done within a fraction of seconds. Okay, all requests are done within the fraction of seconds. Okay, can you see this? And then there is a request also, request to body and request to headers. Okay, this is a sampler result. Okay, so this is a request, and I am looking for the time actually when it was sent. Response data, sampler, request. 1 minute. See here. So what we did actually, we have sent total 10 requests. What I said, ramp up time is 2. So which means it has to be done in the 2 seconds. Okay. So if you notice here, ignore the first one. This is the old one. Okay. This is the old one. That's why it is showing the 937. Let me highlight this one also. Look at this. Okay, so this is showing 930, the old one. This is actual one. So this is the first 5 requests will be done in the first second. Okay, these 5, one, I will take again cursor. These 5 requests and these 5 requests are both are done individually. So see here, when I click on this 939, 939, 939, 939, 939, 939, and now this is 939.56. You can say, right, change the thing. Okay, some number is changed over here, 939.55, like this. Okay, it is changed. So this is how it will work. And now, like the same, what you can do it is go back to the thread group. Okay, now what you are telling, this 10 users has to be done in 10 seconds. So which means 1 second 1 user, 1 second 1 user. Let me clear this. If I click on the run, it will take 10 seconds to execute this test case. So you can see here, see it is coming one by one. See it is now total, it is, I have cleared the log, total 10. Okay, and now click on this. This is 943.04, 943.05, 943.06. You can see, right? 7, 8, 9. Are you observing this one? It is
Yes, sir.
changing frequently.
Yes,
This
sir.
point, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Every second one request is going. Last time, how it happened actually? 5 requests are sent in 1 second. Another remaining 5 seconds, 5 requests are done in another second. Like this. So which means you can configure. Okay, you can configure all these things. Okay, you can configure all these things in the real time. So this is how it works. Okay, like the same you can do some other magics also here. Okay, so you are telling that 10, okay, request has to go to the server in 10 seconds. It is telling loop count. Loop count, if you tell it is 1, right, when you said loop count is 2, right, at that moment it will run 2 times the same job. It will run 2 times. See here, let me click on the run button. See, it is running. It is running in 2 times. Total 20 requests it will go. See this. You can see, right, 20. Total 20 are there. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Why it is coming 20? Because I have given loop count as a 2. That's why it is coming 20. If I remove this 2, if I click on this infinite, right? Okay. This test case never ends. If I click on the run button, it is keep on sending. There is no end actually for this one. See this. There is no end. Keep on sending. Keep on sending, in the sense keep on sending, which never ends actually. See this. Continuously my test case is running. Okay, there is no limit actually, until unless you stop or until unless server is failed, right? Okay, it will keep on running that one. And how to stop this one? Okay, so there is a stop button here. Okay, what you do it is click on this stop button. That's it. Once you click on that stop button, it will stop. This is how. Am I clear?
Sir,
Voice is low.
Yes, sir.
You mean you said yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So yeah, like the same we have like one more thing, like same user on each iteration. Okay, if I click on, sometimes we may need to go with the different users. That will be taken care by the advanced engineers. Actually, we are not a performance testers, but I'm just giving you the knowledge. And also delay thread creation using needed. Okay, if you want to give any delay, okay, that moment, and then specify thread lifetime. Okay, so how many what is the lifetime you wanted to give, all those things. So these things are not that much important. Okay, and there is one more, if you want to give any other results, right, you can give. Okay, so not only view results, you can also keep some other results also. You are having lot of things. In the listener side, I have clicked on only this one. You can give summary report as well. Okay, I will show you what is summary report. So go here, 10 users, 10 seconds now. What I will do, 10 users, I'll keep it in the 20 seconds. So which means for every 2 seconds, it will run. See here. See, for every 2 seconds, one request is going. So which means total 10 requests are sending in 20 seconds. You can go go anything. So otherwise you can give like this. Okay, so give 100 requests. Okay, 100 requests in 10 seconds. Nothing but for every second 10 requests are reaching to the server. Okay, see this, all are done. Click on this, see this, 9:47:19, 9:47:21, which means 2 seconds delay. 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, and then 37. See the how frequency every 2 seconds. And I told you, right, there is a one new summary report. See what it is telling actually. This summary report will tell you this information, which is total how many requests. Sample 10. What is the average? In 90%, okay, the results are coming properly. Okay, and then sometimes maximum, sometimes delay is there. Okay, and okay, how many kilobytes sent? Okay, and how many bytes we received on an average, some number it is giving. Okay, so this calculation, throughput calculations, we are having some separate calculator actually, so normally we do not do. Okay, so throughput and all, right, the performance test engineer will take care. Okay, just try to understand the concept, that's it. Don't like swim into this. Like this we are having lot of results. So listener, okay, summary, aggregate, backend, all these things are there, but mostly people are going with the view results only. Okay, majority of the time people are going with the this one only. Okay, so am I clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least now you understand, right, what is performance testing and how people do. And you can do however you want, you can play with this one. Okay, so number of users you can keep 100. Okay,
How
100
about the jobs and performance testing, sir?
performance jobs, right? Good question. Yeah, so okay, I will tell in reverse way. Okay, so if 100 jobs are on Selenium and automation, right, we will be having performance jobs something around 10, not even 10, sometimes 8 or 5 only. Okay, performance jobs are very less, okay, when compared with the our automation jobs. Okay, and one more thing I will tell you, performance test engineers are getting more salary than us. Okay, so they get more money performance, because in the market, right, very rare people, when very less people are available for the performance testing. Okay, at the same time jobs also very less. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we are almost done. I think anything left? As I said, we almost done. Okay, Docker I am sending, as I said, right, so my machine is not supporting for the Docker, right, there is a one recorded video is available. Okay, for the Docker I am going to send you that. Okay, I'm going to send you that recorded video. Okay, which is already, I mean, the previous batches, right, I was told about the Docker. Okay, so for them I have explained very well. Okay, but this time my laptop is different, I cannot give the demo on this laptop. But what I will do, I'll be uh, sharing a doc on the same. Okay, I think doc is available. Docker, right?
Sir, in Amirpet class only it is there.
It is there. Acha. This is okay. This is, I think I have written for my own actually. I think I have written a separate document. This is when I was learning, right? I will capture these things. You don't understand that my language, but there is a one beautiful document actually. I have written. Docker notes. Every time it is showing notes. I will send you regarding the Docker and all. Okay, the complete what is a Docker, what is that one, everything it is captured. Okay, under the document. I will take care. So I will send. That is my responsibility. Okay, and also what is left. I mean, if you're feeling anything is left, right, you can send me the uh, email. I will share that uh, program to you all with some detailed description and all. Okay, I think so. Who's Leela Prakash, right? You are having some issues. Yeah, before Leela Prakash. Okay, I'll come to. Before I'll give some knowledge actually. Okay, so as I said yesterday. Okay, I mean, guys, we are done with the course. Okay, we are left with only one topic. Okay, which is mock interview. Docker I am sending. Okay, mock interview. Okay, mock interviews.
Sir, Jira also, sir, Jira topic.
Jira I will tell in the from Monday onwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Jira, right? When we are starting the manual testing, when we are ending the manual testing, at that moment I will tell you the Jira. Okay. Yeah. Jira and all, right? You can ignore. So that is not stopping you to get the job. Okay. No one will ask you anything under the Jira. That is a very simple. You can get it from the Google also. That is a 30 minutes job. It don't take much time. Okay. Anything
Okay.
else in your mind before I start?
Is a leftover topics in Cucumber and few things in the Selenium, sir.
In the Selenium, only one thing which is explicit wait. I am sending that program to you all. Explicit wait. And Cucumber. Acha, you mean Cucumber? What is there in Cucumber? Acha, tax, by any chance? Okay. I think we forgot to go with the tax. I think on that day we didn't have the time. We went till here. Now I remember. Tags are very simple in the Cucumber. I can give it in within a minute. So this is our project, right? In the okay. Not this. Where is our Cucumber project? This one, right?
By using that, we can run individual feature file, right, sir?
No. I'll show you. Contact us, test cases. Let me. I'll show you what is Cucumber and all. So let me close all. Open this again, and open this again, and open this one. Okay. So if you notice, right? Okay. Let me remove this. Okay. So if you notice, uh, I have 1, 2, 3 test cases here, 2 test cases here, and 1 test case here, and another test case here. Okay, this is belongs to contact us, and this is belongs to create account, and this is belongs to login. Okay, yeah, and if I wanted to run only contact us test cases, okay, if I ask you, right, what you will do, you will pass contact us test cases dot features in the Cucumber options here. Okay, here you are providing the name of the file, which is like this. If I ask you to write, right, so what you're doing, copying this one, going here, right click on this and paste it. That is a good option, doing this one. Okay, but without doing that one, how we can achieve running the only contacts as test cases? What we have to do it is, whenever you are running any scenario, just type annotation, this belongs to contact us. That's it. Okay, so this is similar to the test-ng groups. Remember, right? Groups concept. Okay, we are like giving some name to the each and every test case. Either this test case can be used in the smoke, or this test case can be used in the regression, or this test case can be used in the one of the feature. Either it can be login, logout, or contact us, whatever it is. It is similar feature. Over there we call it as like a groups. Here we are calling it is a tags. That's the difference. Okay, and now what you do it is contact us. Okay, and also you can provide, no need of comma and all those things, just provide this is comes under like a smoke. Okay, by default each and every test cases belongs to which one, which group? Regression. Okay, each test cases belongs to regression, few test cases are belongs to smoke, but and the module of that one like the same. I'll go here, so copy this one, go here, this is a regression, and also it is a create account. Okay, I'm not keeping this one as a smoke, and go here, and if you notice this is belongs to regression and login. Okay, and this is belongs to regression, login, and also I wanted to give as smoke. Okay, so save it, clear this, and go back to the test runner. Okay, so here you have to provide the tags. Here I have given syntax here. What is the syntax? Tags is equals to keep the tag in the double quotes. Okay, so which means enter here, dry run I don't want now. Okay, tags is equals to, I wanted to run login test cases. Okay, I want to login test cases comma. Okay, so remember spellings are case sensitive. Let me check whether I am having, yes, login is capital L is available. These two test cases will run. So now what you do it is right click on this, click on the run. Tags are very easy in the Cucumber. It is very easy. Two test cases supposed to be run. It will run these two test cases. But if it is test ng, right, we have to provide something like groups is equals to, open the flower bracket, close the flower bracket, in the double quotes you have to write, and also you have to maintain the same thing in the testng.xml. You have to like run include. Let
We
me
have
show.
to add the dependencies.
Yeah, lot of things are there actually over there, but here in a simple keyword just provide annotation name of the tag. Okay, and here provide this one, that's it. It will run all the test cases. It's very simple actually. I am telling you, right? See, two test cases was ran, two login test cases done. Go back here, some step got failed, it's okay. So this is how, okay, we can run. If you wanted to run something regression, it will run all the regression test cases. I want to run only create account. Okay, so create account, what is this? Yeah, create account. I suggest you to copy paste always. So save it and click on the run button. It will run the create account test cases. So this is the best way to handle groups in Cucumber. I think explicit wait, right? I will send you that code. Okay, explicit wait code.
So Selenium లో ఈవెన్ డిఫరెంట్ ట్యాబ్స్ లో ఓపెన్ అవ్వడం కూడా విండో.
That is we are done.
ఓకే.
That is with the help of using window handles actually. We are done with that one. So how to open another tab, how to go to the child window, and how to come back to the parent window. We are done.
అంటే పేరెంట్ అండ్ చైల్డ్ కాదు సార్, డిఫరెంట్ ట్యాబ్స్ లో కూడా ఈవెన్
That's what, see here ipudu I just opened this one in the different tab. Okay, so how to work in this tab? After completion of this tab working, close this tab and go back to this parent window and then work on this one. This one we are done. I think remaining people can comment. Are we done with that?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah.
I think maybe you are off on that day, okay? But we are done that one. I think I don't know the date and all.
July
Uh,
3, sir.
July 3, yeah.
Hmm.
Just check with that recording, July 3 recording or programs. See this window handle, child window, multiple child windows. Yeah, we are handled already. See this by using iterators and has next. Yeah, maybe you are off on that day.
I mean, I'm thinking it's not the same thing. So that's what I mean. Parent and child are different, and I
I
thought
mean, the
opening.
terminology it is confused for you, but it is same. Yeah, ultimately we have to handle with the window handle only. The same thing we are using here. You can see here, window handle. Yeah, without window handle we cannot achieve that because we need to handle the windows, right? Like parent window, child window, or else you can call tab or child. I mean, see, you can call tab or child window as part of Selenium, right?
Pop-up.
We pop
Pop-up,
up.
sir.
Yeah. So different people uses different terminologies. Okay. So sometimes people use as child window, sometimes people use it as a tab, like that.
And scroll bar ఒకటి program.
Scroll bar and పంపిస్తా program. So scroll bar and implicit way, two things I have to send. I will send.
And ఇంకొక డౌట్ ఉంది సార్. See, for example, మనం మీరు I select I display అది ఉంది కదా సార్. So like that we'll know whether radio buttons are selected or not. The same way, if we want to do for let's say drop down, whether the data got selected or not, I'm unable to achieve with I select kani, I display kani, or enabled.
Okay, you want to know whether in the select box, assume that I have selected as a June. Okay, so you want to know whether the June is selected or not.
Yeah, whether the data is selected or not, or the whatever the at least is it equal to whatever I'm.
You can get the value with the help of get attribute under the braces value, right? Get attribute.
Okay. I
No,
mean,
we can achieve with the
I,
select by visible text, sir.
Select by visible text is to get the text actually. Okay, just to hold on. Just hold on. Some verification call. Some nonsense call. Okay. Yep. Okay. So we are discussing about getting the value from the ఇది కదా select box. So I think we done that one also. What is that one? Attribute.
the Boolean value we can't get it, right?
Boolean on the Windows we do not have any booleans, right?
No. I mean, like let's say I select any Boolean return yesterday, it's
మీరు అది చేయకండి. So I'll show you what you have to do. See this. What is this actually? June 10 login. So June 10 login get attribute. You can see, right? Okay. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే write a web element code like driver dot find element ఆ సెలెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా బై డాట్ ఎక్స్ పాత్ అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే గెట్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ అని చెప్పేసి అని వాల్యూ అని చెప్పేసి అని ఇవ్వండి. సో డ్రాప్ డౌన్లో ఏదైతే వాల్యూ సెలెక్ట్ అయిందో దట్ విల్ కమ్ టు యూ విత్ దిస్. సో గెట్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ వాల్యూ అనే ఎందుకు ఇవ్వాలి అంటే వన్స్ వి ఎంటర్ ఎనీథింగ్, So just I think let me I'll show you why I have to give something dot in. So see here, if I select something, it can be anything, the value whatever it is, right click on this, inspect. So click here, open this, see here, it is a value, right? Can you see? Value is equal 2021, value is equal 2018. Okay, every value it's stored in the value, so we need this one. Andukani cheppesani what we have to do it is we have to provide the get attribute value. So in that case what you will get, actually you'll get the value of that one. So now store that value in the string like this, and then you can compare whether it is selected properly or not. If both are same, right, then it is a pass, otherwise it is a fail. Yeah.
So, but whatever the doubts that we have, we can post the doubts to you.
Yeah, you can post in the email. Okay, yeah, definitely I will reply, but some it will take some time. Every day night I will watch my all emails. Actually in the daytime, right, I will be busy with my office work. In the night something around 9 o'clock I will see all the emails. If I get a chance I'll look.
Sir, what is your position, sir, in your company?
Position, it is changed recently, and now I am CNN manager, nothing but senior technical architect. I always be in the technical only, and normally I don't manage the people and all. I don't like to manage the people. But still under me, something around 10 people are there. Okay. So I'll give some tasks to them, and I'll also do some other tasks and handling the like a client and all, right. I'll do mostly technical side. I will always be. I don't want to
Company.
be in company. I cannot tell. Those are confidential. Yeah. What you will do, man, with company? Hmm?
Nothing, sir. Just asking.
Curiosity, yeah. I can tell any some wrong name also, like a Wipro Tech, but I don't want to give false statements. Okay, so that's why I can tell Wipro, but I feel sometime one day I have given wrong. Okay, so now come back. So guys, as I said, uh, many jobs are there. Okay, I'll give some 5 minutes some knowledge to you. Too many jobs are available in the current market. Just upload the resume, attend the interviews. Okay, I think nothing is stopping you to get a job. Remember, nothing is stopping you to get a job as of now. Jira is absolutely waste. Okay, so even though you could get the job also, they will give the training again Jira, but definitely I'll give you the Jira training. Don't worry. So what I am telling here it is work. I mean practice more on what we discussed so far. So what I will do. This is our course curriculum, right? Okay, let me do one thing. So these two are I will mark what the one which is important. These two are not important. This is all are not important. Mock interviews and all these are not important. Not important. Resume preparation you have already. These two it is good to have. Okay. Manual testing, agile, core Java, automation, expert, CI/CD, Jenkins is also not that much important. GitHub not important, because you should know, right, which is the priority. That's why I'm giving all these things. Again, database is also good to have. Okay, and the project training you have already done. Framework implementation already done. That is as part of your course. You have to learn all those things. This is important. So manual testing you're supposed to get. Okay, so core Java, Selenium, XPath. Okay, JUnit is nothing actually. Remove that JUnit. Okay, TestNG, Cucumber. These two are important. And reporting with extend reports. No one will ask you in the interview questions about the extend report system. They will ask you whether which reporting system you are using. You tell that extend reporting system. That's it. Okay, like don't like swim on this one. Okay, and project training, framework implementation, all this comes under here only. Okay, yeah. So the person who is not attended manual testing, right, they can start attending from the Monday. So I'm telling you, right, so from Monday, right, the first 2 days, 26 and 27, it will be some like a demo kind of days. Okay, but at the end of the classes, right, I'll be teaching all those things. Okay, but don't miss that one. I suggest you to attend after 30 minutes. Okay, first 30 minutes, right, some bhashan I'll give them actually. Okay, what is the course curriculum and all. You can attend, I don't have any problem. Okay, so that is all about manual testing. And now core Java, I told many times, without Java we didn't learn anything. Okay, without Java you cannot write any single line code of the Selenium. So that's why Java is very, very, very important. I have given the questions. 90% the questions will come from that one only, not the 100%. The remaining 10%, right, depending on the mood of the interviewer. That is not in my hand. The 90% things, those things are in my hand. I have given already. Selenium also I have given. Same 90% question will be come from there only. And XPath, you know already. Okay, so Selenium practice more. But I'm telling you, right, first they are going to start the interview from the Java. They don't ask any question from the Selenium first they will ask you the questions from the Java and then jumping onto the Selenium. Remember this. Don't think that if I know Selenium well I will get a job. Okay, it's not like that. You have to crack the first Java and then they will ask you the interview questions in the Selenium. Unless that they don't ask you all the same similar question. What is a static keyword? What is a final keyword? What is a static classes? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? What is method overriding? What is method overloading? What is the difference between this and that? What will happen if I give the final keyword to the one of the method? All these things, when you practice more, right, then you will get more hands on that one. So even the questions whatever I have given, right, that is nothing if you practice more, right. Okay, those questions you don't need also. Okay, those questions are having some answers how to deliver. Okay, but and also I suggest you to don't go with a static definition. If I ask you what is polymorphism, okay, polymorphism is a combination of like method overloading and method overloading, which is having compile time, runtime. You can give these things, but create your own definition if possible. Don't do the like a buttified. Okay, so don't do that one. Okay, I mean I am okay if you are having an opportunity, I mean, habit of butty. Okay, but what I suggest actually, uh, create your own description. Okay, with your own language. Okay, so with your own English. Okay, that is, I mean, with your own English, if you write right, then you will remember more actually. Instead of someone has I have given something. Okay, sometimes you may don't understand my English. Okay, you write your own description. Nothing wrong in that. No one will ask you why you have written this description. Okay, so the opposite person is also tester. He is also a normal person. He is not a developer. If he's a developer, right, they will ask you all rocket science questions. Okay, the opposite person is also a normal test engineer. They will ask you a normal questions only. They don't ask you the in-depth questions. I told in the beginning of the class also, which is we are going to learn only 20% of the Java. We learned only 20% of the Java. We are using the same 20% of the Java from last 2 or 3 months. We never used more than that. Okay, so I suggest recap all the Java and then Selenium and then TestNG framework. Okay, and how to get the data. I mean, and don't work on too much on the Excel sheets also. I told already. Don't like a swim on the Excel sheets. Okay, no one will ask you those. They will ask you the questions only. These things: what is find element? What is find elements? How you are handling that one? What is implicit wait? What is explicit wait? How to maximize the browser? How to close the browser? What is the difference between close and quit? Okay, how to find an element. Okay, how to find an element by using XPath, how to find an element by using ID and by name, how to in the XPath I am unable to find, can I use AND operator? Yes. What is the contains operator? What is starts with? Okay, in the XPath, right, they will try to like confuse you a lot. Okay, so if you, if you're not willing to confuse, right, you have to practice more. Okay, so practice more and more. Okay, then only you will understand better. And I'm telling, right, by any chance luckily you get a job also, again you have to work over there also. Okay, if you want to become like a not become, actually I'll use different sentence, different word. If like if you practice more here, right, okay, once you get a job it will be easy for you. Okay, working with a job, it is easy for you. Okay, that is what I am telling you actually. Okay, so otherwise what will happen actually, by any chance luckily if you get a job today also, once you join over there, okay, you need to like struggle a lot. Why? Because the deadlines are very fast over there. Deadlines are very short. I mean, short, or you have to complete the task within 2 days or 3 days. If you're not practicing today over there, how you will work? So that's why practice more today. Okay, then it will be easy tomorrow for you. Okay, so take this screenshot. If you want, I can send it again. Okay, practice more on the Java and then Selenium and then test engine and BDD Cucumber, and then these things. At least API manual testing, guys. At least API manual testing. Okay, do not leave the API test. I have taken 4 days of time or 5 days I think for the API. Normally I supposed to complete in one day, but nowadays people are looking API more, so that's why I spent more time on the API this time. Okay, I have given all the spoon feeding concepts. Practice more on the API. Go with the recording multiple times. Practice multiple times. If you really want to get a job, right, practice. That's it. I am there here to help you. If you send an email, I'll reply to that one. That is my responsibility. By any chance if my reply is delaying, just go to the Google and type what is that one. You don't understand what is implicit wait. Okay, just now I am telling you to go to the Google. In the initial day I told you that don't use the Google, right? Now I am telling go to the Google. Okay, you don't know what is implicit wait. You forgot. Okay, just type, okay, what is implicit wait in Selenium. You'll get some thousands of results. See this, how many results are there? 71 lakhs results are available. Okay, just go with the first one, whatever it is. Okay, that will tell you what is the implicit wait and all those things. Go with this one, just read the description and see this and how they have implemented here, and then practice the same. Okay, now I am not stopping you to use the Google. Okay, so now you will understand what they are explaining now. If you do the same thing before, right, you don't understand. Now you will understand what they are telling. So practice more and more. Okay.
So, and one of the interview question when I attended is like what are the daily things that you do immediately after going to the office, and what are the weekly things that you do? What is the regular thing that a tester of R with the experience of like
See,
us?
our regular day-to-day job, it is writing the manual test cases, automating the same. Otherwise, someone has already written the manual test cases, we have to automate that one. Okay, automating is not enough. What we have to do after automating, we are getting the release, we are running those test cases on that release. Something around 1000 test cases we have written as a team. We are executing that one. After executing, we are capturing the results. After capturing the result, we are generating a report. Okay, there are some test cases are failure. Okay, we are rerunning, we are getting the test case failed XML. Okay, we rerun that one, and again we are generating the reports. This is our regular job. It's like that.
Yeah.
So this is the cycle. Engineer cycle is this one. Automation engineer cycle is this one.
Okay.
Yeah, Leela,